To find out some of the scariest images captured in the frequent space excursions by NASA, make sure to watch this video to the end and give it a thumbs up. How would you react if you discovered there are serial killers, aliens, or zombies in space who could sneak into the Earth by catching a ride in a spacecraft on its way home? In line with the need for humans of knowledge, NASA keeps expanding its physical reach in space, such as with its recent Mars travel, and has captured some particularly puzzling and sometimes even scary images on several of its missions, for which it has no explanation, and the possible reason that comes to mind is too nightmarish to contemplate. We all have our ideas of what the worst possible occurrence on Earth can be, and even what ghosts and tremendous beasts like the dinosaurs are supposed to look like. What if you discover that some of your greatest nightmares and wildest imaginations about the activities in space do exist and occur and have been captured on camera? We will look at some of the scariest images captured in space in this video. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get the latest updates. The Google Moon, made in 2009 by the collaborative effort of NASA and Google using an image captured on NASA space satellites, has unwittingly revealed a mystery. Upon close examination, a portion of the image appears to be a gigantic man working on the lunar surface. The person who made the discovery recorded and uploaded a video on YouTube, and it, of course, attracted attention, as some people say it is proof of alien life on the moon. An analyst named Tom Rose has even gone as far as saying the man captured in the image had a striking resemblance to the statue of Colossus of Rhodes 226 BC. There has, of course, been no confirmation that it is indeed an alien life by NASA or any other authority, and the image remains a mystery to this day. In 1972, American astronauts on Apollo 16, part of the Apollo program, which successfully landed humans on the moon from 1968 to 1972, captured something interesting on camera from their spaceship. They described it as a saucer-shaped item with a dome on top of it. What do you think this object is similar to? You are right. A UFO that has interestingly been allegedly spotted on Earth as well. They captured the image in a video recording which was lost until 2004, when a person discovered it at the NASA Johnson Space Center, a research institute in Houston, Texas. Intrigued researchers used a high-res digital scan to optimize the footage and determine what was captured. The optimized image reveals a previously omitted feature of the object, which is the linear feature protruding from it. What this object is exactly, however, still also remains a mystery. Like the Perseverance rover used in the Mars 2020 mission, the NASA Curiosity rover also sent daily images captured on Mars to Earth when it embarked on a mission in 2014. It captured an image that is considered very strange. A bright beam of light appeared behind a dune on Mars, and its appearance has made many UFO enthusiasts speculate that there is a possibility that life is on Mars. What makes the image very intriguing is the fact that only the right camera of the rover captured the image and not the left camera, which is a bit slower than the right. What this means is that the light was turned off before it could be captured by the left camera. However, in explaining the image, NASA says it could be a glint from a shiny rock, or sunlight, or maybe even a cosmic ray that hit the camera. This explanation is implausible and also not as interesting as the possibility of alien life, and hence, not so popular. The image of a man-like figure sighted by the rocks has been captured on Mars, and this can be proved once again by alien life and humanoid figures which can be roaming the planet, according to some researchers. Others believe that it can be an image of a statue created by aliens on Mars, or perhaps a natural rock formation with a human-like shape. After optimizing the image, it looked more like a statue, but this might not be as accurate as a description. The image is part of a much larger image captured on the Spirit panoramic camera. Do you think the image is that of a man enjoying a sunny day, an alien statue, or just a rock formation? The L-CROSS, or Lunar Crater Observation and Sensing Satellite spacecraft, A NASA spacecraft traveled to the moon in 2009 and has often been referred to as a kamikaze mission, as while in orbit, the 2.2-ton rocket launched straight into the moon, making its way to the Cabas crater on the south pole of the moon and dove into the debris to collect some data. However, a very strange thing was captured by the spacecraft during the mission, which is the image of a structure that appeared to be built in the crater. This image shocked NASA employees, and some people, after observing the image, even speculated that NASA sent the aircraft to nuke an alien base on the moon. According to analysts, this structure is artificial and not naturally a part of the moon. There is no record of humans building anything on that part of the moon, thereby lending more credence to the theory of the existence of aliens. On February 25, 1996, an experimental tether was sent into space by a mission by the US and Italy to mark the 75th Space Shuttle mission. This mission's goal was to find new sources of spacecraft power and study the atmosphere at the highest point of the planet Earth. The tether did not successfully launch, however, but while in space, its satellite captured a video of it drifting into outer space. The video, of course, captured the tether, but also some unexplainable bright-shaped object around it. While this is intriguing, NASA's omission of mention of any reference to the objects captured by the satellite has made people more interested in the video. Until now, NASA has not been able to give a good explanation of what the object could be. That is all we have for today. To find out all about the scary and amazing images and videos captured in space, make sure to subscribe to this channel and also let us know what you would like to know in the comments section about outer space, as there is no doubt that more images will be released and more intrigue created.